So guys, here is the quick packing list. If you guys are planning to go to Annapurna base camp, I'm going in December 6th, from December 6th to December 26th, hiking for approximately 18 days, 200 plus kilometers. I'll just walk you through what all is required. I have this bag from Tripod, which is 80 liters. You don't need this much, but I need a bigger bag just in case. I have my shoes from Columbia. These are waterproof. Should do well in the snow. I'm using them for the first time. We have our trekking poles. We have the thermal base layers a small bag for our day trips, 4 pair of socks, these are woolen socks, a fleece jacket, 2 snow pants for our daily, which I'll be alternating every day. We have our hand warmers and socks warmers in case the weather gets too cold, pair of snow gloves which are waterproof, and a pair of woolen gloves, a head warmer. I also have a scarf, a neck warmer, gaiters in case we decide to do some advanced trekking in deep snow, and I also have crampons, which are like mini spikes. These can attach to my shoes. In terms of food, I've taken whey protein because last time I had a considerable muscle loss. So whey protein, seed mix, chana, and this I've got it made from my mom because I was thinking, because I have to consume a lot of fat, so this is basically 500 grams of ghee, and along with some gond, some dry fruits, and some of the seed mix, and some good. So this is going to be my breakfast for every day. I've got a small lock, toiletries, medical bag, water bottle, an insulated bottle, compression bandage. These are very helpful in case you get a knee pain or pain in any part of your body and which needs some sort of mobilization. Undergarments, a small head torch in case we have to hike in the evening or night, snow glasses which help you keep your eyes safe from the snow, snow glare, which can be very dangerous, sunscreen, a small hand towel, a main towel, my down jacket, and my snow and waterproof jacket. Also have a phone cover and the selfie stick, power bank, 27,000 mAh. We need a lot of power, although this time we might get charging ports over there, a charger, and these are my upper base layers. I have kept one compression vest and thermals and some skiing base layers because these are very warm. Organizer bags in which I'll put everything up, and that's it. I mean, I think I'm not missing out on anything, but yeah, let's start packing.